Welcome back to the thrilling conclusion of our duology, 10 mind-blowing facts about the universe. In case you missed it, make sure to catch up with part 1. Get ready to resume our incredible cosmic adventure. Fact 6, Galaxy. Galaxies are the building blocks of the universe, and cosmologists estimated that the observable universe contains about 200 billion galaxies. Galaxies consist of stars, planets, and vast clouds of gas and dust, all bound together by gravity. The largest have trillions of stars and can be more than 1 million light-years across. The smallest can contain a few thousand stars and span just a few hundred light-years. Most large galaxies have supermassive black holes at their centers, some with billions of times the Sun's mass. Cosmologists believe that first galaxies formed from the tiny fluctuations in the density of matter after the Big Bang, which are shown as colored dots in this all-sky map of the early universe. Over time, regions with slightly higher density attracted more matter, eventually forming massive clumps of dark matter, and gas began to accumulate due to gravity, forming dense, cold, and massive clouds of gas. As these clouds continued to collapse under their gravity, their cores become hotter and denser. At a certain point, the temperature and pressure in the core become high enough for nuclear fusion to occur. This is the process where hydrogen atoms fuse to form helium, releasing an enormous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. At this stage, the protostar becomes a fully fledged star and enters a state of equilibrium. After another few million years, radiation from the young star and nearby stars disperse the remaining gas, leaving behind only solid objects, which continued to collide, shatter, and merge to form the planets, asteroids, and other bodies we see today. These stars and planets gathered and formed the early galaxies, which were much smaller and more irregular in shape compared to the galaxies we observe today. In the early universe, galaxies were closer together, leading to frequent interactions and mergers. These collisions allowed galaxies to grow in size and acquire more stars and gas. As time passed, the gravitational pull of dark matter halos and the merging of smaller galaxies helped build the first significant galaxies. Over billions of years, these galaxies continued to evolve and grow, shaping the large-scale structure of the universe. This process of galaxy assembly is still occurring today. We see many examples of galaxies colliding and merging to form new galaxies. In our own local neighborhood of space, the Andromeda Galaxy is headed toward the Milky Way for a possible future collision, many billions of years from now. Fact 7, Cosmic Web. Galaxies were once referred to as island universes, because in the early history of astronomy, they were observed as faint isolated patches of light in the night sky, that appeared separate from the rest of the stars. They were thought to be small self-contained universes of stars, gas, and dust, residing independently within the larger cosmos. But no galaxy is an island. In fact, galaxies prefer company. The immense gravitational force of a massive galaxy draws in nearby galaxies of similar size or smaller. As a result, galaxies often come together and form groups. These groups can vary in size, ranging from a simple duo of two galaxies orbiting around each other, to expansive gatherings like the magnificent Coma Cluster, which boasts thousands of galaxies stretching over a staggering 10 million light-years. As astronomers meticulously chart nearby galaxy clusters, a remarkably comprehensive view of cosmic structure unfolds. Galaxy clusters congregate within vast superclusters, and these superclusters interlace, giving rise to chains and filaments. This intricate network of interconnected superclusters and filaments forms the awe-inspiring cosmic web, revealing the mesmerizing architecture of our universe. Let's fly through the cosmic web with this NASA simulation. Each bright knot represents an entire galaxy, while the graceful purple filaments unveil the material bridging them together. While only galaxies would be visible to the human eye, this remarkable visualization unveils the enthralling strands that unite galaxies, giving rise to the magnificent cosmic web. Fact 8, Milky Way. Our Milky Way is a spiral galaxy, with a distinct central bar-shaped structure surrounded by spiral arms. Its diameter is estimated to be about 100,000 light-years. The Milky Way is estimated to contain approximately 100 billion to 400 billion stars. The central bar of the Milky Way is composed of stars, gas, and dust. It spans 2,700 light-years across and serves as a central hub for activity within the galaxy. From the ends of the bar, spiral arms branch out, winding around the galaxy's center in a spiral pattern. Surprising as it seems, you can't see the Milky Way's spiral shape from Earth. We're located within its disk, making this view impossible. Our solar system resides in a minor spiral arm known as the Orion Arm or Orion Spur. The Orion Arm is a relatively small segment of the Milky Way, situated between the Sagittarius arm, another spiral arm, and the Perseus arm. The heart of our galaxy hides a monster, a supermassive black hole named Sagittarius A. It is 4 million times the mass of the Sun. And its diameter is about 15 million miles. Despite its immense mass, Sagittarius A is relatively small in size. If you haven't already, be sure to check out our video on 10 mind-blowing facts about black holes. Link is in the description. The majestic Milky Way took shape approximately 13.6 billion years ago, arising from the fusion of smaller early galaxies. But the saga of its creation doesn't end yet. A breathtaking cosmic event lies ahead, the collision with the neighboring Andromeda galaxy, set to unfold in around 4 billion years. Witness the astounding NASA animation that vividly portrays this impending cosmic dance. Fact 9. Earth. Earth is the only known planet in the universe to support life as we know it. Exoplanet is a planet outside of our solar system, usually orbiting another star. There are more planets than stars in the universe, but they are very hard to see directly with telescopes, because they are hidden by the bright glare of the stars they orbit. As of today, July 29, 2023, NASA has confirmed 5,483 exoplanets. Yet, among the stunning variety of worlds in our universe, only Earth is known to host life. With its unique combination of atmosphere, water, and moderate temperatures, our beautiful pale blue dot stands as a precious oasis in the vastness of space. Earth is about 4.5 billion years old. For the first billion years of Earth's existence, the formation of life was prevented by a fusillade of comet and asteroid impacts that rendered the Earth's surface too hot to allow the existence of sufficient quantities of water and carbon-based molecules. Life on Earth began at the end of this period some 3.8 billion years ago, in the form of single-celled microorganisms in ancient oceans. Around 1.5 billion years ago, some single-celled organisms began to form complex colonies, marking the first emergence of multicellular life. Approximately 541 million years ago, a sudden burst of diversification occurred and many major animal groups appeared in the ancient oceans, including arthropods, mollusks, and early chordates. Over time, some organisms ventured from the oceans onto land, adapting to terrestrial environments. Around 200 million years ago, reptiles and dinosaurs became dominant land-dwelling creatures. Dinosaurs, in particular, flourished and diversified into a wide range of species. Mammals and birds also emerged. The hominin lineage, which includes modern humans, diverged from the great apes around 6 to 7 million years ago. Fact 10. Humanity. Humanity is nothing more than a microscopic blip in the universe, but we are not insignificant. Contemplation of the vastness of the universe and our relative smallness and impermanence within it can sometimes lead to a somber perspective. The enormity of the cosmos might prompt us to question our significance and impact in the grand scheme of things. It could even evoke feelings of nihilism, suggesting that if we are so inconsequential, then nothing we do or experience could hold any real meaning or purpose. However, it's crucial to remember that while we are small in comparison to the cosmos, we are unique and self-aware beings capable of profound emotions and understanding. The beauty of our existence lies in our ability to find meaning and purpose within our lives, regardless of our place in the vast universe. Our experiences, relationships, and contributions matter in the context of our own lives and the lives of those around us. Each individual's journey, no matter how seemingly insignificant on a cosmic scale, can have a profound impact on others and on the world we inhabit. Rather than succumbing to nihilism, we can embrace the idea that our actions, connections, and the love we share can create ripples that extend far beyond our immediate understanding. And the vastness of the universe serves as a reminder to cherish and appreciate the preciousness of our time here and the wonder of being alive in such an extraordinary cosmos. And this wraps up our incredible journey into the universe. We hope you've enjoyed this video as much as we did. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing facts. Don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.